All right, first graders, please make sure that you at least have a pencil. Miss Julie, this will be just like yesterday. If you want to have the sticks ready to go, and that the calendar binders are out and ready to go. If things aren't ready to move along, just feel free to pause the video whenever it's convenient for you in the class. All right, we will be putting an X on the number 15 today. Pause the video if you need a little more time to get that number 15 X'd out and move to our next blank page. All right, Miss Julie, go ahead and pick a stick and let's figure out what our digital date is. What is our digital date? Pause the video if you need a little more time to answer. All right, our digital date is 10 dash 15, which is a 1 and then a 5 dash 25. 10-15-25. All right, let's go ahead and pick another stick and let's talk about the day of the week. I wonder what day of the week is it? I wonder what day of the week is it? Today is Wednesday. Wacky, wacky Wednesday. Let's go ahead and start at the top. And we're going to slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. E across and around. D, start in the middle, go all the way around, push way up, pull down. N, start in the middle, pull down, push up and over the hill. E across and around. S, curve left, curve right. D, start in the middle, push way up, pull down. A, in the middle, all the way around, up, down. Y, slant down, lift, slant down into the basement. Oops, I don't like that line. Slant down into the basement. All right, let's go ahead and pick another stick. And do you think you know what tomorrow will be? Do you think you know what tomorrow will be? Tomorrow will be Thursday. Thinking Lincoln Thursday. Let's get our pencils ready for an uppercase T. Pull down, lift, across on top. H, pull down, push up and over the hill. U, start in the middle, go down, curve back up, don't forget the kickstand. R, start in the middle, pull down, push up, add a pirate hook. S, curve left, curve right. D, start in the middle, push way up, pull down. A, all the way around, up, down. Y, slant down, lift, slant down into the basement. Let's hop on over to that star. Yesterday, first graders, we had been in class for 31 days. Let's go ahead and pick a stick, Miss Julie, and let's do 31 plus one more. So when you add one to a number, it's the next number over. How many days have we been in school today? Hopefully you said 32. 32, 32, 32 is a 3 and a 2. It's 3 groups of 10 and 2 extra ones. All right, first graders, so I have 2 sticks. I'm just looking at the ones and I have 2 sticks. If I was to share the 2 ones from the number 32, I would have one for one person and one for another person. So if each person gets 1, that means this number is even. All right, let's hop down to our tally marks. We've got a lot to make today. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 shuts the door. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 shuts it again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 shuts it again. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 shuts it again. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 shuts it again. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 shuts it again. And our last two, 31, 32. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 closed doors and 2 more. If we were to count by fives, it'd go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. Let's go ahead and hop up to that octagon and let's write the number 16, which is 16, 16, 16 is a 1 and a 6. Can't sing anymore though, because I'll give away the answer. All right. Miss Julie, let's go ahead and pick a stick. And for this person, my question is, what does 16 look like in our 10 frames? So let's be a number detective and look at the number 16. You can see the first number is going to tell you how many groups of 10, and the second number is going to tell you the number of ones or the other extra dots. So if you need a little more time to tell me what 16 is going to look like in these 10 frames, please pause. All right, hopefully you said 16 is one full group of 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 extra ones. Uh-oh, Miss Poe. That's because I was wrong. Oh no. Please forgive me, first graders. I fibbed. If you could please go back and change your 15 to a 5 because we are not doing 15. We're not doing 16. We're doing 15. My apologies. So sorry. So please erase that 6 and turn it into a 5. And please make sure that you have just one group of 10 and 5 extra ones. So sorry. Miss Julie, if you need a little more time, please pause the video to allow kids time to fix Miss Pole's mistake. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about what 15 takeaway 1 is. So if we take 1 away from 15, go ahead and pick a stick if you haven't done so. What is 15 takeaway 1? You're right. If you said 14, 14, 14, 14 is a 1 and a 4. It's one group of 10 and 4 extra ones. Hopping over to the plus 1. Let's pick another stick. And what is 15 plus 1? Sixteen, 16, 16 is a 1 and a 6. It's one group of 10 and 6 extra ones. Let's go ahead and hop on down to the domino and make sure your domino matches my domino on the board. Excuse me. Let's go ahead and pick a stick. And someone tell me the number sentence for this domino. Pause the video if you need more time. Hopefully we said 6 plus 3. And I'm going to go ahead and just solve this on my number line. I'm going to start at the number 6 and hop 1, 2, 3. And I landed on 9. Hopefully we have the right answers. Let's go ahead and write the number 9 also in our box here. 6 tiny tumblers tumble this way. 5, 6. And 3 tumble this way. 1, 2, 3. And when they all go back home, There are 9 tiny tumblers. All right, Miss Julie, we're gonna have, once people are done, we'll have somebody, we'll go back to the smartboard slide and tap on this Go Noodle up here, and choose a dance. But if people need more time to wrap this up, please go ahead and pause this video so that they can copy it. And then once people are wrapped up, we can go ahead and exit out and do a Go Noodle dance.